Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. As soon as we acquire land and a house in possession, we become masters of our territory. The understanding of landscape design takes place from a different angle. I immediately want to direct my creativity to the arrangement of my favorite Dutch or home, to release my creative ideas and designs in homemade decorations in landscape design. The main thing is that to create such jewelry, there is no need to buy something, spend your money. To create the most daring ideas and translate them into homemade jewelry, any things that are no longer needed or have already worked out will come in handy. That is, the so-called trash, which seems to be not needed but suddenly comes in handy. So this is exactly the same case. Creating homemade jewelry in your own is not only profitable, but also has its own useful sides. Furniture. Nowadays, it has become fashionable to use for decoration in the garden, to use furniture that can no longer be restored. A chest of drawers, a chair, or a nightstand installed on the territory and painted in bright colors will become an original detail of a homely cozy garden, and the flowers planted in them will only add decorativeness to the image. Ampelose plants are mainly planted in chests or drawers, open with a stem, and planters are added to a chair without a seat, as well as they are hung on the back of such a chair. In addition to standard furniture, you can use a bed, a piano, a bathtub, and even a typewriter for these purposes. All that is needed is to create a protective layer on the product, after which adding earth, plant unpretentious flowers. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.